Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Expensify with bank accounts for cash flow planning. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open the Expensify app on your device. Log in to your Expensify account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings menu. Find and select Connections in the Settings options. Click on Link your bank accounts. Choose your bank from the list provided. If your bank is not listed, select Search for your bank to find it. Enter your online banking credentials as requested. Follow any additional security prompts, such as two-factor authentication. After successfully logging in, confirm the connection by following. Once connected, return to the main dashboard. Navigate to the cashflow feature within the app. Check the newly linked bank account reflected in your cashflow dashboard. Review your transaction history to ensure it syncs properly. Set up any categories or tags for your expenditures as needed. Adjust your cash flow projections based on the newly imported data. Save your settings to ensure all changes are retained. Periodically check the bank connection for updates and sync issues. Utilize this setup for better cash flow planning moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.